Imagine making money while you sleep. No customers to talk to, no packages to ship, and no office to show up to. Just a system, powered by artificial intelligence, that runs 24/7 and deposits income into your account. This isn't some futuristic fantasy or overnight scam. It's happening right now. Regular people, not tech geniuses, are using AI to build real passive income streams. But here's the thing, the window of opportunity is open now, and it's closing fast. The people who start early are the ones who win big. In this video, we're counting down 10 real ways people are using AI to create passive income. We'll break down how each one works, what tools you need, and how to start, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive in. 10. YouTube automation with AI voices and scripts. Let's start with the most popular passive income play right now, AI-powered YouTube channels. Here's how it works. Instead of filming yourself or hiring a team, you use tools like ChatGPT to write scripts, ElevenLabs to generate realistic voiceovers, and video editors like Pictory or InVideo to produce your content. Add royalty-free visuals, and you've got a full video ready to publish. These faceless channels often cover topics like history, finance, motivation, or tech. The videos earn money through ads, affiliate links, and digital product sales. And once uploaded, they keep earning on autopilot. One creator recently revealed they made over $7,000 in a single month with AI automation on a new channel. That's the power of systems that scale. 9. Selling AI-generated coloring books and journals. If you've ever thought about selling on Etsy or Amazon KDP but felt overwhelmed, AI just changed the game. People are now using tools like Midjourney or Canva's AI features to create beautiful interiors for coloring books, planners, and journals. Then, they upload them as low-content books on platforms like KDP. The result? Every time someone buys a copy, you earn royalties, with no printing or shipping on your part. A single successful book can bring in hundreds per month. Multiply that by dozens of titles, and you've got a real passive income engine. And since AI can help you brainstorm themes, generate images, and format pages, it cuts creation time to a fraction. 8. AI blogging for affiliate and ad revenue. Blogging isn't dead, it's just changed. With AI, building a content site that earns money while you sleep is faster than ever. People use tools like ChatGPT to draft blog posts and Surfer.io or Neuron Writer to optimize for Google rankings. Once a post is up and gets traffic, you can earn through affiliate links, where you get paid for recommending products, or by running ads with platforms like Ezoic or Mediavine. One guy built a blog entirely with AI tools and reached over 40,000 monthly visitors in under 6 months. That kind of traffic can earn thousands a month passively, just from writing helpful content. With some smart editing and topic research, this strategy still has huge upside. 7. Selling AI-generated templates on Gumroad or Etsy. People love tools that save time, especially business tools. That's where templates come in. From budget trackers to resume designs, invoice templates to wedding planners, people are using ChatGPT and Canva AI to create ready-made digital files. They sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or even their own Shopify store. Each time someone downloads your product, you get paid. And because digital files don't require restocking or shipping, it's 100% passive. The upfront work? Maybe a day or two to create, brand, and list it. After that, your digital shelf is always open. 6. AI stock art and photography. With tools like DALL-E, Leonardo AI, and Midjourney, anyone can become a digital artist, even if you can't draw a stick figure. People are generating beautiful AI images and uploading them to stock photo websites like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, and Creative Market. These platforms pay royalties every time someone downloads your image. One creator made over $1,000 in a month just from AI-generated visuals, and they weren't even a professional designer. As long as your work is labeled correctly and stands out, AI lets you enter the creative economy and earn from your art passively. 5. Creating micro SaaS tools with AI and no-code. Here's where things get fun. People are using no-code tools like Bubble, Glide, or Softer to build mini-apps that solve niche problems, powered by AI. For example, Someone built a tool that generates viral tweet threads. Another person made a simple resume checker using ChatGPT's API. These micro SaaS tools charge users $5 to $20 a month. With just 100 users, that's $1,000 to $2,000 a month, often with very little ongoing maintenance. If you can identify a problem people want solved and use AI to automate the solution, you've got a digital product that can earn while you sleep. 4. AI-powered digital assistants and chatbots. Small businesses are busy. They need help with customer support, lead generation, and FAQs. That's where AI chatbots come in. People are creating smart chatbots using tools like Chatbase, BotPress, and Flowise. These bots can answer questions, book appointments, recommend products, and more, all without human involvement. You can either sell chatbot setups as a one-time service or charge a monthly fee for hosting and updates. Either way, once the bot is built, it works around the clock. This is perfect for digital marketers, freelancers, or even students who want recurring revenue without the customer service headache. 3. Curating AI prompt libraries and memberships. Prompt engineering is quickly becoming a high-value skill. And guess what? People are monetizing it brilliantly. Creators are building libraries of effective prompts for ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, and more, then selling them as Notion documents, PDFs, or gated memberships. Some offer these prompts as part of a paid newsletter or private Discord. If you love experimenting with AI, you can turn that curiosity into content others will pay for. One person launched a prompt of the day email and hit over 5,000 subscribers in 2 months, with a paid option that brings in over $3,000 per month. Simple idea, powerful results. 2. Monetizing short-form AI content on TikTok and Reels. What if you could use AI to go viral? That's what's happening on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Creators are using AI to write scripts, generate talking avatars, and even narrate videos. Then they post short, snappy clips that grab attention. The monetization comes from brand deals, affiliate links in the bio, and digital product sales. For example, one creator used AI to build a channel about weird business facts. Within a month, they had 2 million views and multiple sponsorship offers, all using free tools. If you have storytelling skills and understand trends, AI can help you scale fast. 1. Creating AI-fueled online courses. And finally, the #1 way people are building passive income with AI is by creating digital courses. Whether it's teaching productivity, marketing, fitness, or photography, people are using ChatGPT to outline lessons, write scripts, and generate slide decks. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia handle the rest. Once recorded and uploaded, these courses become income-generating assets. A beginner-friendly course selling at $49 can earn thousands if marketed well. And with AI helping you build the content faster, you spend less time creating and more time scaling. The top earners in this space are now combining AI tools with personal brand power. But even if you're just starting, you can launch a course with real value in weeks, not months. So, there you have it, 10 smart ways people are using AI to build passive income streams in 2025. These aren't hacks, they're systems. And if you start now, you're getting in early, before each space gets too saturated. Remember, you don't need to do all 10. Pick the one that fits your interest or your skills. Experiment, learn, build something small and improve as you go. Because the people who win with AI aren't the ones with the most tools, they're the ones who take action. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides on AI, digital income, and the future of work. And in the comments, tell me, which of these 10 strategies are you going to try first? And if you're ready to go even deeper, watch our next video. Turn ChatGPT into your 24/7 business assistant. It's linked right here. Thanks for watching, and remember, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to amplify you.